It's about to go down. And when I say go down, then you already know we always start the show off with bars and flow. So kick backs and relax a little bit. Guys, we got a review on the shoe that's legit. I already said that bar in the past video, but it's okay because here we go. Video up. Rebels, let's get to it. What's good, Rebels? What's up? It's your boy CJ McGill back with another video. Family, it is about time. Just so you guys know, I have been waiting on this package to come in the mail and it is finally here, man. So guys, before we even get into what we're talking about today, make sure you subscribe to the channel, guys. When you subscribe, make sure you hit that bell, turn on those post notifications, make sure you've watched all the other videos on the channel, make sure you've liked, commented, so you're staying engaged, guys, so you already know what we've been talking about, so that way you're caught up on the channel. Also, family, make sure, Rebels, that you follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Mac the Rebel. That's M-A-C-T-H-E Rebel for Twitter, guys. Just put an underscore at the end of the name. So with that being said, why am I so excited, guys? Because I have, like many people, like many Rebels out there, man, part of like all of the Rebels out here in Rebel Gang who actually hit on this shoe, we have all been waiting. I mean, waiting like some of us have been waiting a few days, some of us have delayed shipments, some of us are waiting for our shoes to get shipped out. But guys, it's just, oh my God, when I saw the FedEx truck pull up outside of my apartment, I just had to step back and say thank goodness, because they have finally arrived. So guys, I'm gonna be hitting you today with an unboxing and a review, literally an unboxing. I hadn't even opened up this package yet because I already know what it is. I've been tracking it all day and it is finally here. So Rebels, let's go ahead and get into it. So of course, got the box right here, unopened, man. Of course, I already took off the label because you guys do not need to know where I live, because that's just unnecessary. All right, good old knife. Let's get to it. All right, I want you guys to watch me open this bad boy. All right. Oh man, family, it is finally here. I think you guys know what those brown boxes from Adidas mean, man. Thumbnail. A little too dark. Let's get this side. Yeah, thumbnail right there, that's perfect. Guys, you already know what's up, man. It's time to hit you with a review. And let's go ahead. I'm just gonna go ahead and jump straight into this package, man. For those of you who were unlucky, guys, there was a rumor going around about this shoe saying that there were 500,000 pairs. I don't know how many thousands of hundreds of thousands of tens of thousands. I don't know, I don't care. All I know is I was actually able to get my hands on a couple pairs. So family, what shoe are we talking about? What shoe are we looking at? Guys, don't y'all just love when you get that fresh Yeezy? And you just open the box, it's like a... But anyways, family, today, the shoe we are unboxing, the shoe we are talking about is the Yeezy 350 V2s in the Bred colorway. Let's get into it. Now that we're back, you already know what we're talking about, man. You saw the first part of the video, you saw the title, you saw the description. You already know that we were talking about the Yeezy Boost 350, but we are talking about one of the most sought after Yeezy 350 V2s of all time. Now, I'm not gonna say sought after like it's the rarest of them all, but as far as sneaker collecting goes, as far as sneakerheads getting their hands on a shoe, this is one of the most sought after shoes that Yeezy has come out with. And yes, guys, we are talking about the Yeezy 350 V2s in that good old clean black and red colorway. Let's go ahead and get another thumbnail real quick. Bet, let's get that done out the way. All right, we're done doing that, guys. So family, Yeezy 350 V2 Breds, let's go ahead and get into it, guys. First thing we're gonna do is start off with that toe box. As you can already see, one thing about Yeezys, guys, is that we don't do unauthorized over here. No fakes, no. We don't do those, so yeah. So one thing you'll notice about the Yeezys, guys, is that the stitching is always nice and tight on the toe box, all right? It's gonna give you that really tight feel. It's a really snug feel, but it's really comfortable. And one thing about the Yeezy 350 V2s is that they are a boost. So on the sole, guys, you can see that boost technology running through the bottom of the shoe, all right? Really nice and clean, really sturdy, really durable. You can also tell, I mean, a lot of fakes out here will have, like, it'll be really pushy. Like, when I say pushy, like really soft. All right, you see how nice and sturdy that is? You see how there's hardly, you can bend it, but it's not like easy to bend, all right? So just make sure you guys pay attention to that, okay? I might actually do a real versus fake Yeezy review, but that means I would have to get a fake Yeezy. And since I don't do fake shoes and I don't do unauthorized, that would be very hard to do. Well, anyways, probably won't be able to do that video because I don't do fakes. So anyways, guys, Yeezy 350 V2 Breds, really clean, as you already can see. They got that Supply 350 on the left side of the shoe, actually on the outsides of the shoe, okay? Got that black and red handle on the back of the heel, guys. Just a really clean shoe, all right? Talking to one of my homies at the store I visit basically every day. They actually got some pairs in. They sold out, they raffle theirs like they're supposed to. She said that this is one of those shoes that you just have to have in your rotation as a sneakerhead. Me personally, I'm not much of a Yeezy fan, but when it comes to the 350 V2s, especially this Bred colorway, black and red, it's just really clean, guys. I'm actually really digging this shoe, okay? But yeah, so family, really clean on the laces right here up top, as you can see. All right, really clean on those laces. You also have that boost technology going all the way around the shoe, around the sole, engulfed in the sole. All right, so it's going to give you that crazy comfort that Yeezys are, well, 350s are definitely known for, okay? So inside right here, guys, you have that padding on the back of the heel to give you that extra comfort around your Achilles area. On the inside, it does say Adidas Yeezy on the interior, so you already know what that branding is about. And of course, you got your tags of well, not necessarily tags of authenticity per se, because there are some fakes with these tags, but the tags are right here, guys, so you can already tell this is a size, what size is this? This is a size 4. Well, what size is this? This is a size 5. Good Lord. Yeezy tags, man, go figure. But yeah, guys, size 5 in men. All right, so get a clean look at that, guys. Just a quick little clean look right there. And we also have the pair right here. So if you guys are just wondering, this is the pair. All right, 350 V2 or Supply 350 on the outside of both shoes. That way you can see that right there. All right, really clean. Maybe another thumbnail, we'll see. All right, really clean, guys. Just a super clean shoe, man. I can't get enough of this shoe. I'm actually starting to really fall in love with it. I actually love this shoe. Personal pair coming soon, okay? All right, family, and of course, like most 350s that we've come accustomed to seeing, this is the box right here, as you saw in the thumbnail. All right, 350 V2s. All right, on the box it does read Yeezy Boost 350 V2, core black, and red. All right, so 350 on the top, Yeezy Boost 350 made by Adidas branding on the side, and of course the Yeezy Boost 350 made by Adidas branding on the opposite side as well. Let me let that tag focus in for you guys so y'all can see it. So family, that's the review, man. We made it to the end, guys. That is the review. Guys, in the comments, make sure you tell me what you guys think about the Yeezy Boost 350 V2s in the Bred colorway. Guys, I've been waiting for this shoe to come for a while now. Finally touched down. Got another pair coming in as well, Rebels. So let me know what you guys think. Is this a shoe that you're sought after? Do you consider this shoe a grail in your opinion? Matter of fact, speaking of grails, guys, while we're talking about grails and just, you know, rare shoes and such, or personal grails, I should say, I am coming out with a new segment on the channel, guys. I can't wait to drop it. It is going to be called Grail Check, and what we are going to be talking about, all rebels, all walks of life are welcome to check it out. It's going to be on the channel anyway, so feel free to check it out, guys. It is going to be my personal journey, guys, on me getting my top 100 grails that I have been absolutely looking for, okay? Now, granted, the grails that we're going to be talking about, they could be shoes that I've had in the past that I no longer have. There may be a grail that I currently have in my collection. I don't know. Maybe a grail that I recently picked up. It may be a shoe that I don't have at the moment. Who knows, guys? The segment is gonna be really dope though. And I do have them ranked. I currently have my top 10 ranked. Actually, I really have like my top 30 ranked, and then we're gonna be going on from there, okay? So don't think that grail number 1 will be episode number 1, because I'm just gonna go ahead and throw it out there. My number 1 grail is the auto lacing Nike Air Mag. Let's be honest. If I'm being honest, I don't really have the thousands of dollars to go get that shoe yet. Coming soon, loading, maybe a couple years from now, who knows? But yeah, guys, that is coming soon. Episode 1, I'm not sure when I'm gonna drop it, but I will be dropping it very soon, so you guys make sure you check out the channel. Make sure you have those post notifications turned on and be ready for that video drop. All right, but yeah, rebels, with that being said, this has been a review of the Yeezy 350 V2 Breds in their beautiful state as we see them right here. Guys, let me know what you think in the comments, family. Let me know if this is a shoe that you were actually able to pick up. Let me know if you are interested in a pair of 350 V2 Breds. I may actually be letting this pair go. I mean, they are a size 5 or a size 12, so they won't be really sticking around to be worn on my foot. So make sure you look at that shop link, guys. Make sure you've already subscribed to the channel. Make sure you've commented, liked. Guys, make sure you follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Matt the Rebel. For Twitter, just put an underscore at the end of the name. Family, with that being said, it is your boy Mac the Rebel, also known as CJ, for those of you who wanted to know my first name. Checking out with another video, family, and I'll see you in the next one. And we out. Peace.